So, you want to be a Kajabi partner and ultimately earn that car bonus, where we essentially buy you a car. How do you get there though? Getting 50 people to actively pay for your Kajabi is no easy feat. This Tip Tuesday is all about the basic tips and tricks that we've seen successful partners do in order to get their car bonuses. You'll be able to utilize these on the road to 50 active members and your car bonus. Get it? Because cars go on the road, you know? No?
Oh, jeez.
Of course, the car is the end goal. You will still get rewards along the way based on active members' milestones. We will send you these cool partner program boxes. Thank you. Don't worry, your boxes will be filled with cool prizes like Apple Watches and AirPods, unlike these empty boxes. We recently did a case study on one of our most successful partners, Forrest Linden, and found out exactly what's working for him. Forrest currently has 65 members in Kajabi, meaning he has 65 people actively paying for Kajabi accounts. How crazy is that? It wasn't always like this for Forrest though. At one point, he was stuck at 35 members. So, what he did was offer a bonus along with whatever campaign he was pushing. This bonus was a live one-on-one Zoom call where Forrest walked his referrals through setting up a website and product in Kajabi. And his active members went way up because of that. He told us that giving away free bonuses like this along with the Kajabi campaigns really helped him. Referrals are more likely to stay active if they aren't feeling stuck or overwhelmed by Kajabi after signing up. Forrest also stresses that your focus should be on helping people first and foremost. Being authentic and nice, the sales will come naturally from there. And there you have it. Hopefully this was able to give you a little more insight into how a successful partner refers people to Kajabi. If you would like the PDF of our case study with Forrest Linden, visit partners.kajabi.com. This document goes into a lot more details on Forrest's strategies and how he refers people. Of course, if you have any questions, email us at partners@kajabi.com and we can give you a little more help. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.